This is my LabFair project. So it's a crossover that I can change between high pass and low pass by changing these two black and white wires. There's a 0 to 10K potentiometer and a 1 microfarad capacitor. Right now it's set up as a high pass filter. These values aren't the same, but this demonstrates the circuit. There's the music source, which is my laptop and goes to this aux. And then it goes over to the V out, which is the speaker through this aux. The aux is set up like this. It's kind of janky, but I'm only using the left audio because I only have one potentiometer and one capacitor, but it still works. The low pass filter circuit would look like that. Right now you don't hear anything because the frequency of the filter is set really high. If I lower it a little bit, you'll start to hear the music. But it's just higher frequencies. It doesn't sound like the full music. If I lower the filter all the way, you'll hear the music all the way. If I put that back down, I can switch these two wires to turn it back to a low pass filter. And if I turn this up a little bit, you don't really notice that easily because the speaker isn't meant to play lower frequencies, but it's filtering out most of the higher frequencies and playing mostly lower frequencies. It's just a little bit hard to tell. So I did try and design code to automate this. It looks like that. Unfortunately, I realized a little too late you can't use the analog inputs as outputs. So I had a finite state machine that would go between low pass, high pass, and full crossover. Kind of sad that didn't work, but changing these two things still works the same way. It's just not automated. So this is the crossover and it plays the music through that. I can use the potentiometer to change the filter frequency, and that's my LabFair.